Okay, you're on.
Laser for the field.
Okay.
I'm gonna have fun
Come
with
on,
that.
honey.
Huh? I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. Sweet headphones.
Aren't those Oregon green?
They are Oregon green. Very, very cool.
She's such a good wife.
Legos. Sweet dump truck.
Gavin, Daddy got Legos so he can play Legos with you.
Christmas crunch.
With the monkey on it.
With the monkey.
That's the only reason why I bought it.
Yeah, I like the monkey.
Is that some special monkey or something?
That's the Paul Frank one.
The designer.
Julius is his name.
And candy. Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome.